Let's go ahead and do some examples on MathCAD Prime 6. On this video, we'll be working on basic calculations, and if we get a chance, we'll go to advanced calculations as well. First of all, let's go ahead and do some basic calculations using MathCAD Prime 6. So as you can see, I already have my MathCAD software open, and I have a file MathCAD. If you want to create a new file, you can always go and select new, and this is your new MathCAD, but I already have a template that I have used for my previous exercises, so I'm going to go back and use the same file that I have, MathCAD. Okay, so the overall goal of this video is to be able to do some engineering calculations using MathCAD Prime 6. I'll come back to this in future. Let's go ahead and do some basic calculations. Okay, so now doing some basic calculations, like any other software, you have to define variables. Now for definition, let's say unlike any other software, you can basically work anywhere and it's very user friendly, and you see this little grid on the pages. You can get rid of that from you have to just go to the document and show grid, or so I think it makes sense to have grid, so I'll get back the grid. And okay, let's go ahead and do some problems. Now first of all, I want to define some variables. I want to define a is equal to 2, and what I did just now was I typed a and the colon from the keyboard, and I typed 2. Okay, I can just press enter, then I can define another variable b equals to 4. Now 2 and 4 has been assigned to a and b respectively. Now I can do some basic math calculations, like say if I have to multiply a times b or a divided by b, I can do that fairly easily. Now let's say I want to define c is the summation of a and b, so you have to find c as a plus b. Now to print the value or evaluate the value of a plus b, we just have to type equals to. So remember, there is a difference in between colon and equals to. Colon, it will be used to define the value, like I defined 2 for a and 4 for b. Now equals to, what it does is it's not defining, it's like printing what it's already assigned to the MathCAD. Okay, so that's the difference between colon and equals. Now I can do basic other calculations as well, like d equals to a divided by b equals to 1.5. Now, so one of the very important thing that you have to know is if I move this above a and b, that's where you have not defined a and b, so that's why there's an error. Now let's see if I go there. No, something is wrong with that, so that you see the red circle, right? Now if I move it down here, then it's going to recognize that. Now let's say for now b was defined as 4. Now I want to redefine b. I want to redefine just want to move all those things down below, and I've defined b to be 2 as well. So you've seen this changes here. That's because the variable b has been redefined to 2 from 4, so that's gonna make changes over here. Okay, so this is all for this tutorial. I'll come back with the advanced calculations in the upcoming video.